Pardon. So here we are. Finalmente found it. Wiki. So, I paid like €1 for this, which is quite good, I must say. I need another one, because sometimes you're holding something and then you need another one to hold it. So it's a little bit like challenging. I'm gonna separate this from whatever this is here. Hopefully I can do it. So like I said, you know, separate sideways like so. Oh my gosh, powerful metal, which is good. It means it will hold well. I think I'm gonna put it back because I was able to just click it through rather than opening it further and then connect it like that. It's better because, yeah, when I've adjusted or manipulated metals to fit a way I want, the more you do it, the weaker the metal gets because you're moving the molecules in there, you know. This is not iron, so it's not like it will, you know, stay as strong even if you weaken it. This is another kind of metal, don't know what kind of metal, but it's certainly mixed with something and something else. But whatever, yeah. Here we go. And ta-da! Está perfecto. Casi. Almost. You see that? I mean, it was perfect when I did it. Well, I mean, when I first got it. But, you know, my hand is not perfect. Oh, that's better. So, yeah, that's pretty good. And, yeah, I forgot. I'm just gonna, like, say it real quick. The earrings, I've decided I'm not gonna use hooks. I am gonna do what I've done with many other earrings. You know, like some earrings, I'm just such a big fan of them and I find ways and solutions to keep using them even if they break. And yeah, I mean, what better way to, you know, like mix and match things? But, you know, I've done it with other stuff and I've mentioned it in a few, I think, of those neat and unique jewelry videos that I've made. And yeah, like I will borrow hoops from like different earrings that can be removed from the original paired earrings and like add them here. And I have like, for example, like I'll show you later, but I'm just gonna mention it. One of them is gold with like cubic zirconia stones on it, so it could be like fancy. And then there's another one with like just plain gold hoop, you know. I could even like remove the gold here and use silver hoops, and then, you know, you kind of like can play around with it and adjust it, so that's always good. So yeah, that's a thought. And yeah, it's gonna be super fun. Now, let's decide. Let me see. So, oh yeah, let me like switch. So I switch sides, guys, because we're doing this now. So, yeah, so basically, this is how it would look with, oopsie, why am I so far from this thing? This is how it would look from far. I mean, you can see it's like, it's a little bit hard to appreciate the distance or how it looks from a camera point of view without moving the camera around. But yeah, it's a lot of space actually from here to there. So I'm thinking, because it's still gonna be, look, it's that much hanging, and then it's gonna be the hook there. So I think I will remove one of these, but the question is which one. I think yo pienso. Oh yeah, not the purple, because yeah, the purple was, the whole point was, you know, the theme, purple earrings, and so yeah, I guess the gold for now. It's still gonna be 1, 2, 3 gold ones, and I'll add this here for measuring purposes. So yeah, it's time to connect everything now. That looks pretty good. Extra security, I'll flip it. Because obviously that's gotta work. Because originally this was a so-called phone charm that I found. So that should work. And it's quite thick compared to the space. It's not gonna fall off or anything. And then I'm gonna hopefully be able to connect this little one with this, and hopefully it will still fit in the actually thinner, because this looks pretty thick, but it's actually gonna be sitting here. I mean, that's the whole point. When it's pulling, it will be pulling from this thin part side, not so much from here, hopefully. No, I don't think so. It would be like weird. That means it would be connected like that, like sideways. But yeah, we won't know until we try. And hopefully it will fit. Let's see. So we'll put it in here first. Okay, let's try. I take that back, you know, because I was saying earlier, oh, you know, like, this is thicker, and it is thicker, and it won't fall out, blah, blah, blah. But maybe I'll take 2 of these if I feel like, because I was able to pull it quite easy, but, you know, it's not like it's tagging at it. It's not like I'm walking the dog and it's connected to the thing and then it will get loosened and open. But yeah, maybe I'll put 2 of them, but I don't know how that's gonna like fit. Yeah, maybe 2 can fit through here, because it's quite, yeah, I could definitely fit 2 rings through there. So push it in there. Okay, getting it in was not as easy. And it's ouchy. It's like pinching me. Please fit. Please fit. Oh, yes. So it fits. And looky, looky. The milk and cookies. Bernie Mac. Have y'all watched Bernie Mac? One of the best comedians ever. Him downstairs. He was so funny. Anyway, yeah, I might as well use a new ring, because working with this tiny little thing and then this huge thing is becoming a little bit, oh, that was easy with the tool. Tools, Caroline, tools, use the tools. This one's semi-open, which is good. Oh yeah, I need to do that anyway, duh. For the hooking thing. Okay, let's do this again. Oh my gosh, what happened to it? What the hell? Twilight Zone, it just kind of poof. disappeared on me. What the heck? Okay, I guess, yeah. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't see from far so well. Anyway. Put this here. If I can keep it in place. Oopsie. It's not easy, but once you get the hang of it and you do it regularly. Oh my god, guys, look where it is. Can you, like, if there ever was a haha moment, the jewelry gods are like having a good giggle right now. Like, we're gonna get her. She's gonna look for it. She's gonna be like, where? It just, because literally it just disappeared. That was so good, actually. Ooh, making jewelry magic trick. So yeah, let's put this baby in here. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, we'll put this in first. It's falling apart. Oh yeah, and sometimes, I don't know about you, but me personally, I like this facing the body part, for lack of a better word, because if you have it placed like this, it's a bitch to have to, like, you know, open it up like this. Okay, you're trying to put it on, but it's facing like that, you know, but it depends on you. I like opening my stuff like this and putting it on like this, so that can be very, very helpful, because sometimes you'll twist the bracelet or necklace, and if it's a tight fitting or so, depending on the look, then you actually need more material, more of the chain or whatever to be able to make that turn so that you can do it. But you know, I rather have things facing. Okay, let's see if this works. Should I close it? I mean, it needs to be closed anyway. I'll take my chances. Because I'm thinking, I don't want to open it again, but I won't have to, because I can just slide it in like I did. Sorry, I was a little bit off camera there. A little bit majorly. Okay, back. Back to life. Back to reality. Looking good, feeling great. Looking good, feeling great. Health, 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 darling. Have you guys watched Absolutely Fabulous? In the beginning, when I first started watching that series, it was just like a lot of silliness, and I didn't get like half of the stuff because it was hard for me to like actually keep up. It was a lot of information, and like I didn't have problem understanding British accent, but it was just so much going on, and like I have my tendencies, so I was absorbing a lot of information and trying to like put things together and understanding the jokes and the, you know, reading between the lines and all that. But it's a really good series because I like how she mocks like ignorance, and yeah, it's a good series. Jennifer Saunders is the producer and writer, and she's awesome. And Joanna Lumley, oh my gosh, she is like amazing. So you live and you learn, guys. I feel like I definitely should have flipped this. You see, put the ring there and it would have stayed. It wouldn't have moved and risk going there. And I know this now because now that I've closed it, look, I was gonna slide it over here so that this is not visible when I'm wearing it. Not that people are like looking with a telescope like, how well have you put this thing together? but like one good nudge and it's right there, you know, like it was actually took an effort. But yeah, it doesn't fit through because this is really, really thick. So it would have been more secure to stay there. In fact, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. Might as well. Might as well. You've got to live and learn. You've got to live and learn. And this is hard to move before your bridges burn. Brothers and sisters, you've got to live and learn. There you go, a little taste of 90s over there. Okay, I'm gonna do something I'm not supposed to because I don't know if I was gonna take my tweezers to hold it from the other side, but I'll probably like, okay, because I'm not like used to this. You can see like a little bit of scratches here and there. It's not the smoothest anymore. Can you see that? Look. Oh no. But you're still beautiful. So, should I use a brand new one? It's just that, you know, like, it's so shiny, the gold, and I want it to be as shiny. Yeah, I think I will. It's okay if one of them, you know, I can make this one, the last one, and the practice one. So that I can, like, you know, use it and theorize and see. And then once I know what I want to do exactly, I can use, you know, I'm gonna have like 3 more left. And then there's like 1.5 with like some marks, but it's okay. You live and learn. Innit. Right, so see? Now I did that too far and it's like bent in a weird way, but that's okay. Because we're gonna fix it and it won't be so noticeable. And the whole point is that we wanted it to fit here, innit? Gosh, I hope it fits though. Yes. Okay guys, almost done. I am so excited. This is like trying on a new makeup product in your late teens, and like the closer you are to being done, the more you're fucking up because you start shaking and like so annoying. Like I don't know what's going on here. Okay, put this in place. Please work. Please work. Please work. You know what? I'm not sure.